Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. I know, what am I doing making a video today? It's not Thursday, I understand that, but I have a live tonight, and I need to tell you guys about it in case you've missed all the other announcements. Pray that we actually have a live tonight, because a lot of my neighborhood lost power last night. We had a big storm. And I lost internet for a long time, and I am praying it holds out because I would really like to do this live with you guys tonight. It's all about organization. It's also about health, hand health, and arm health, and some things that make crocheting just a little bit easier. But I came on here specifically for two things. One, I'm an OFire affiliate, and I got an email that said I was the top affiliate for December. But that's because of you guys, so thank you so much for using my link. That's so exciting. I'm the top affiliate for December. Woo! They just started the program, so that's really not that big a deal, but it's a big deal to me. So they gave me a special code for you guys. Would you like it? Yeah, you would. So this code lets you get 20% off of the remaining Barbie hooks. When they're gone, they are gone, people, okay? She is not bringing them back again. These are limited edition, and they're awesome. I have a few. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, this is my eyeglass case, but guess what? You can use it for crochet hooks. Yeah, you can use it for crochet hooks. It's for your eyeglasses to keep them safe. I do have a tutorial. I will link it down below if you like, but you can put your hooks in here for travel. And it fits about 4 OFire hooks. So these are my Barbie hooks. I actually have one more that's an oops hook. It's mostly blue, and I call that Ken. But anyway, if you would like one of these beauties before they go away for good, you can get 20% off with my code. This is my code. Don't share it with anyone. This is just for my viewers. So, yeah. Other affiliates got codes as well, but this one is for my viewers. So if you guys would like it, use the link down below. I got you a direct link to the product, so you don't have to go looking or anything. So, if you would like to make the pouch, that will be linked down below. The tutorial, and if you would like to buy a Barbie hook, let me know. I love OFire hooks. I became an affiliate with OFire because I think they make such a great product. Do you see this pointy head? This pointy head is life. This pointy head makes it so easy to get into my stitches. I can almost do a pencil hold on this thing. You can do a pencil hold. I'm just saying that I'm not a pencil gripper, I'm a knife gripper, but I can almost do a pencil with this thing because of how it's made. This little ridge is fantastic for my pointer finger, and then my thumb goes right there. I don't know, it just feels like I have something to grip onto. I really like this little ridge. Some people don't. I personally do. Also, these are shorter than most resin hooks. These are much shorter. So if you like tulip or, well, even clover, but tulip is very short, the tulip hooks, you'll probably like a OFire. Also, the other thing I like about it is they come in amazing colors. And they just recently came out with these gorgeous stands. Look at this. I got this for Christmas. Look at this gorgeous stand. It holds 20 hooks. Yeah. I would get one of these too. That's just me. I mean, look. I mean, it's just a pink palooza, you know? So, use my link down below and get 20% off Barbie hooks. Get them before they're gone, because once they're gone for good. She's not bringing them back. Also, I will show you the newest hook is the Winter Wonderland, which I got for Christmas. Isn't that beautiful? And this one doesn't have any ridges. So if this is her only hook that does not have ridges. So if you would like one of the hooks and you want to try one without ridges, go ahead. You can still use my link in the bio. Just go to a different page once you're in there. and look for Winter Wonderland. You can use my affiliate link for anything. Just click on the link down below. It'll take you to the Barbie page, but if you want to buy other things, that's fine. But the code only works on Barbie because they're getting rid of them. So I just thought you guys should know that. And I'm going to edit this video as fast as possible and get it out to you. So remember, tonight, Tuesday, the 9th of January, tonight, I just want this for people who watch this later. Tuesday, the 9th of January, 2024, tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, I will be live, God willing. I still have internet. And we are going to talk about organization, health, and my contest. What contest? Oh, I guess you'll want to tune in for that. Believe me, you do. So, that's my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!